Assalamualaikum to the respected panel. My name is Syazwina Binti Najib. My student ID PB23209. Today I will be presenting my final year project entitled The Impact of Time Management Skill on Academic Project Performance among the final year student. This study is conducted under the supervisor of Madam Husna Binti Hashim. Let's proceed with the presentation. Time is an important resource, and good time management play a key role in academic success. For FYP students, managing time can be challenged because they need to complete various tasks, include topic selection, literature review, data collection, data analysis, and writing report. Good time management helps students organize their work, meet deadline, reduce stress, and achieve better academic performance. However, many students still face difficulty in managing their time effectively. Therefore, the students examine the time management skill of FYP students and their impact on academic performance. Moving on to the problem statement and research gap. FYP requires students to manage multiple research tasks within a limited time frame. However, many students struggle to apply effective time management practice consistently. This can lead to delayed academic stress and lower quality project outcomes. In addition, commitments such as part-time work, family responsibilities, and industry training can make time management more challenging. Regarding the research gap, there is still a gap between students' knowledge of time management and its actually practice. Previous studies have given limited attention to the FYP context and to the most effective strategy for manage FYP tasks. Therefore, the studies aim to examine time management skill and their impact on academic project performance among FYP students. Next, moving to the research question and research objective. The study is guided by 3 research questions. First, what is the level of time management skill among final year project students? Second, is there any difference in time management skill based on gender and race? Third, how do time management skill affect the academic performance of FYP students? Based on these questions, the research objective are to identify the level of time management practices among FYP students, to examine difference in time management skill among different gender and race, and to determine the relationship between time management skill and academic performance among FYP students. Next, research framework. The study focused on 4 main components of time management skill, which are goal setting, task prioritizations, scheduling, and self-control. Firstly, goal setting refers to the ability of students set clear target for their final year project tasks. Secondly, task prioritization is the ability to identify and focus on the most important tasks first. Thirdly, scheduling involves planning and organize time effective to complete all FYP activity. Lastly, self-control refers to ability to manage distractions and stay disciplined in complete tasks. These 4 elements of time management are expected to influence academic project performance, which include time completions, project quality, and academic achievement. Next, the hypothesis. H1, set goals positively influence academic project performance. H2, task prioritizations positively influence academic project performance. H3, scheduling positively influence academic project performance. H4, self-control positively influence academic project performance. Next is methodology. For the research design, the study adopts a quantitative research. Specifically, it uses a cross-sectional survey design. The data is collected at one point in time. The study focused on final year project students in Malaysia as the target population. For data collection, an online questionnaire using Google Form will be used to gather responses. The target respondent are FYP students in Malaysia. The sampling method applied is convenience sampling, and the expected sampling size is 115 respondents. For data analysis, the data collection will be analyzed using SPSS, the descriptive statistics such as frequency and percentage. In addition, Smart BLS will be used to conduct BLS SEM analysis to test the relationship between variables in the research model. Next, I will explain the population and sample of this study. The population of this study consists of final year project FYP students from higher education institutions in Malaysia. These students are chosen because they are currently experiencing the process and completing the final year project, which is relevant to the study. For the sampling method, the study used convenience sampling, where respondents are selected based on their ability and willingness to participate. The sample size for this study is 115 respondents. The sample size was determined using G-Power 3.1.9.7, which is a statistic tool used to calculate the minimum required sample size for research. The parameter used in G-Power are an effect size of 0.15, a significance level of 0.05, and a power level of 0.95. This value ensures that the study has severe statistic power to detect meaningful relationship between variables. That's all from me. Thank you.